time for a technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty has snapped the 3-day losing streak and has ended the day on a positive note, up 14 points. The market breadth was also positive with 987 advances to 549 declines. The mid cap and the small cap index and the bank index all closed in the positive today. Now from the Nifty 50 pack, Hindustan Unilever, Reliance Industries, L&T, Bajaj Auto, BHEL were some of the stocks on the losing side. On the flip side, ONGC, HDFC Bank, Tata Motors, Dr. Reddy, HCL Tech, State Bank of India, Ultratech Cement were some of the stocks which closed with gains today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that the Nifty has taken support exactly at the 40-day exponential moving average and has closed in the positive. Now today's low of 8316 or 8317 becomes a crucial level to watch out for, and below that we can expect further selling pressure. However, since the Nifty has closed in the positive today, we are expecting a bounce from current levels, and that bounce can rise up to the 20-day simple moving average, which is placed at 8463, 8465 odd levels. However, before that resistances are there, we request traders to let this bounce get over until we get a daily negative close or a sign of weakness around resistance. Traders should not initiate shorts at the current level, or traders can go short below the level of today's low of 8317. However, we are expecting a bounce which can continue for a couple of days. So traders are requested to go short near resistance only when we get a daily negative close or we get signs of weakness. Now moving on to the hourly charts, we can observe that the hourly momentum indicator has turned positive. That is, it has given a positive crossover. Now what this means is that we can get a retracement of the fall which we have been seeing from the high of 8626 up till the low of 8317. So let this bounce get over, and once this bounce get over, we get a daily negative close. That should be a point where we initiate further shorts on the Nifty. So we request traders to go short only. We get only below 8317, or we get a daily negative close near crucial resistance areas. Crucial resistance areas are placed at 8440 and 8463. 8440 is the 40-hour moving average, and 8463 is the 20-day simple moving average. Now the Nifty has closed below 20-day moving average for the second consecutive day. So now it is very difficult for the Nifty to go past the 20-day simple moving average, and so that should now act as a crucial resistance. So that should be an area around which traders should be cautious and looking for signs of weakness. Now moving on to the charts of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has closed in the positive today. It is trading above the 20-day simple moving average. However, we feel that this is just a bounce and it should terminate in the coming trading sessions. Our review on Bank Nifty also remains negative. We expect lower levels on Bank Nifty. Crucial supports are placed at 18,320 and 17,890. On the upside, 18,830 and 18,930 will act as crucial resistances. So overall friends, our view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain negative. Today we have got a daily negative close. The low of 8317, if it breaches in the coming trading session, traders can initiate fresh shorts. On the upside, we expect a bounce in the coming trading sessions. Once we get a daily negative close, then the high of that trading session should be used as a stop loss and again go short. Overall, we continue to be negative on the markets for a target of 80 to 80 on the downside. That's all for the day. Thank you.